Hey guys, good morning. It is February 18th. It's 7:44 a.m. and I want to discuss yesterday's trades before the market opens today. First, I did a little trade pre-market, just a little experiment with EBON. I cannot show you pre-market on this platform from the day before, so I cannot really show you what I did, but suffice it to say I caught it after it went up, retested, and then went back up again, right? I didn't really like what I was seeing, so I got out pretty quick. I went in at 974, I got out at 990 for a small 1.64% gain with stocks, not options, with stocks. But yeah, that was just a little test. Also, I still haven't closed this trade, but I went in. Where did I go in? Let's see. After the market closed, I went in on CVLI at 4:25 p.m. Right. So, right there. News. This is a bad company. Nobody knows it. Small, like micro cap. Like I think it has like 5 million shares or something like that. So very low float. They released news that they were going to partner with somebody, a merger with somebody, and they released news because what? Here, right here, after not having done anything for a while, right? Boom. All right. Then I said, okay, let me try. Hold on, that's not right. I was marking it this morning's time, sorry, 4:25. Yeah, I went in like right there. Right, so they released news. I tried to catch the bounce on this level. It didn't hold, so it just went back down, right? Now, mind you, I'm going to say that yesterday was not my best trading day ever. I was very, yeah, no, I wasn't following my own rules too well. And even though this is again a small position, it's just an experiment. I didn't really have a strict plan, right? I wanted to hold it overnight, which I did, but I mean, come on, it went from like 1260 all the way to like 10, right? So especially when it broke VWAP and everything, that should have been a tell for me to get out, but I didn't. Anyway, and this morning it's looking like it might want to go up, maybe, hopefully, we'll see. Yeah, but not my best trade. Piece of advice, pre-market, after hours, best stay away if you trade stocks. If you trade options, you cannot trade anyway, but if you trade stocks, just ignore them, guys. Honestly, it's not worth it. Okay, so having said that, let's go to CCIV, which I traded yesterday. Again, very poorly, very poorly. I'm not happy with how this went. Okay, so let's see, what did I do? Hello, come on. Okay, so I went in at 9:35 with some seconds. So I went in on this candle. Why? Why did he go there? Well, there. I went in at 9:35. Hold on. Come on, you can do it. With 43 seconds, so towards the end of this candle. Bread and butter. Break out of pre-market highs, retest, continuation. Let's go in, right? And I went in towards the end of this candle, but this dump, this was manipulated. It happened right at the end of the candle, right? And it was having increasing volume and everything, but it just dumped on me, boom. And I got caught like a deer in headlights, deer in headlights. Also because I had technicians come in for a couple of days, so I was, my focus was really not where it should have been. I held for a long time. I held until 143. I held until 143.58. So boom, until there. Right. Okay. So as you can see, my head was always underwater, right? And even here, I still took a loss. I took a small loss, manageable, like 12.31%. That's fine with options. But yeah, I was just happy to tap out. Had I held longer, I would have actually made money, right? But yeah, the pattern looked great in the beginning, but I got caught. I got caught breaking this level and VWAP, and I didn't react at all. I was not a good trader on this trade. Thankfully, QS saved the day. I went in at 301 with something. 3 there. I went in right here, I believe. Yeah, 301.56 seconds. So I went in right there. Where? There. High of day breakout. We had some volume coming in. The volume was increasing again. Let's go in, right? This bounce again was kind of annoying, but this trade worked really well. I got out at 320 with 14 seconds, so there. I got out where turned out to be the high of the swing, pretty much. This trade worked great, but I have to say I panic sold. I panic sold because I was, still thinking about my CCIV trade, right? And yeah, I wasn't keeping in mind that each trade is independent from the others. So this trade, my system didn't tell me to sell. I just saw a big bid-ask spread, and I set my order at the ask, and I got filled for a nice, nice what? 11.59% gain. However, this position was larger than my CCIV position, so in the end, I did end up the day slightly green, like, yeah, I mean, $30–40, something like that. But yeah, but this trade, it was good. It was nice. But I didn't trade it well because I panic sold, right? And yeah, my CVLI trade, we shall see what it wants to do before the market opens. But I mean, it looks like I'm gonna be taking a loss right off the gate. Maybe maybe I'll give it some time pre-market to see what it does after 8. But yeah, no, it's not working out too well, so I'll probably have to cut it for a loss and then just, start a brand new day and focus on what works, which is my bread and butter patterns with large cap options. And stay away from anything that's very adventurous, or things that you haven't really tested too well. Or if you want to do it, just do it with paper trades, like just do it with paper money, or just go in super small, right? But the name of the game, guys, is not let's hit a home run every day. The name of the game is let's protect our capital, right? So yeah, that should be your number one priority, and there will be days when you're not going to keep that in mind. We're all human. We just have to remember to learn from those days. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna post this video before the market opens, or hope to post it before the market opens. And I will talk to you again later today if I trade. Alright? Okay, have a good one. Bye.